Hey guys, this is Angie at Chicken Scratch, and I have another unboxing video for you today, except that this one's not a box, it's a bag. Okay, so I'm going to use my scissors to cut this open. Now, one question I have for y'all, for my future unboxing, would you prefer that I go ahead and cut these open and get the contents out, or do you want me to open them in front of you? Yeah, I will tell you, you might one day see me cut myself. I'm kind of accident prone. Okay, so this is from Shabby Fabrics, and what I ordered was, what is this? It looks very pretty, doesn't it? Okay, let's open it up so that way you can see it. Yeah, there's nothing else in there, so let's go ahead and open up this so you can see the label. I thought the colors were really pretty and really springy. So I ordered this fat quarter bundle. Oh, it's actually Jolie. Let's see. Jolie. And there's that Chezmoi. Anyway, look at these beautiful colors. So online, sometimes it's kind of hard to see the beautiful colors, whether they're muted or they're bright. But I always really like greens for some reason, greens and pinks. So I went ahead and ordered a yard of these two colors because I thought this would make a great fabric basket or drawstring bag. And I could tell online that I liked the green. Now that I see the pink in person, I'm going to order a yard of those. I might actually order a yard of all of these because the colors are really pretty. Okay, so thanks so much for watching. Have a great day.